Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I hope you're having a good day. Carrie here with another review. My husband knows more about this product than I do, so I'm gonna let him do most of the talking. Okay, hon.
Alright, so we're going to be doing an unboxing on a high quality Zeee power battery for an RC boat, car, or whatever your hobby is. So let's open this guy up and see what this thing looks like. Ooh. Got a little sticker. Get a business card. There's our nice fresh batteries, nicely sealed. Ooh, a nice bubble wrap. Little instruction manual. It says do not charge battery more than 4.20 volts per cell. High voltage battery is 4.35 volts. Do not discharge the battery to below 3.2 volts or else the battery performance will be deteriorated. Make sure the battery is connected by proper polarity, plus and minus. And pretty much if you do everything right, it won't catch on fire. Alright, and there's also storage tips. For long-term storage, they recommend discharging the capacity to 50% or to 3.8 volts per cell. Never store battery fully charged, not even for a week. The performance will degrade noticeably. Keep the battery stored in a fireproof or dry place at room temperature. Do not expose battery packs to direct sunlight or heat at any time. Always cool down the battery after using or before recharging. Yep, so you always want to make sure it's cooled down. And of course, avoid it from water and everything else. See how these bad boys look like? And this is one of their soft shell batteries. So far it looks great. This is a 3-cell. I personally bought the weight of it is, I'm gonna say in the medium range.
Right, yeah.
It's got a little bit of weight to it, but it is a 3-cell battery. The one I actually purchased had the 100C with 11.1 volts. It's a high performance. We'll see how she does. I'm personally going to be putting them in the Traxxas Spartan boat. So
They're two the same? I'm sorry.
Yep, two the same. They come in a 2-pack. And we should be getting max power out of these. So the boat should be able to go 50 plus.
Is this water. Just for boats or can you use it on
Anything.
RC cars too?
This is anything.
Oh, okay. Cool.
I think I mentioned that before.
Oh, sorry.
In the beginning. It's okay. But it's looking good.
We're all finished?
Yeah, you just take some pictures. One thing I didn't know about is that it says if your battery looks swollen, deformed, or damaged during use, please contact us directly. We will provide you a satisfied solution. Thanks. This actually comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason. So we got 30 days right away, money back. But the cool part is it actually comes with a 12-month warranty for quality-related issues. Pretty much, they just want you to be really satisfied.